how to make audio sound better in Premiere Pro tutorial. Drag your audio or video file onto the timeline below. Zoom in onto your timeline. Select your video by highlighting the clip or the audio piece. Under the effects control panel on the top left, type in hard limiter and drag it onto your audio or video piece. In this case, we can only drag it onto our audio piece, and it will go from color green to color purple. And that's how we know it's been selected. Type in bass and drag that onto your audio track as well, and then type in treble and do the same thing. Go under to the effects control panel and scroll down, and under the bass, 5 decibels, and treble, 11 decibels. You can mess around with these settings, but this is where the magic is gonna work. And then under hard limiter, click the edit button, and under the maximum amplitude, move this to -5, so that when we increase the volume by right-clicking and clicking audio gain, say 10 decibels, this is the before.
Are you ready? How many cases were in the United States when I did my band? How many people had died in the United States?
And this is the after.
Are you ready? How many cases were in the United States when I did my band? How many people had died in the United States?
Thanks for watching on how to make audio sound better in Premiere Pro. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the